I'm going to teach you lesson 4, The Rat Trap, from your Flamingo book. About the author. Selma Lagerlöf was a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages. This story is set in the middle of the mines of Sweden, which are rich in iron ore. The story is narrated in the manner of a fairy tale. It gives us the message that the emotions of love and acceptance can reform others. The Rat Trap is a story about a rat trap seller who leads a very poor life and his earnings are very low. He has to restore to thievery and begging to make both ends meet. He is alone in this whole world and leads a miserable life. So he starts knitting up various kinds of thoughts. One of these thoughts is of supposing the whole world as a big rat trap. His views are that the world offers us various types of baits in the form of comforts of life. This in return traps us into the rat trap of the world and leads us to various types of miseries. Now, the story gives us the message that goodness in a human being can be awakened at any time with your own good deeds. A good deed brightens a dark world. So good deed plays a very important role in one's life. This story is set amidst the mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore, which figure large in the history of that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale, as I told you before. Now let me introduce you the characters of the story. A peddler with rat traps, an old man, a crofter, master smith, helpers in the mill, blacksmiths, iron mill owner, Edla Wilmanson, daughter of the iron mill owner. Now let me explain you the lesson. Once upon a time, there was a man who used to sell small rat traps made of wire. These rat traps were made by him in his free time. He used to collect the material required by begging from stores or big farms. Still, his business was not earning him any profits. Therefore, he had to beg or steal in order to survive. His clothes were old and torn. His cheeks were lowered inside due to malnutrition, and one could easily see the hunger in his eyes. The life of the rat trap seller was very sad and boring. He was homeless, and slowly, with heavy feet, he walked along the road, lost in his own thoughts. But one day, he got lost in a series of thoughts which he found very interesting. The man was thinking about the rat trap, and suddenly a thought came to his mind that the whole world, which includes land, sea, cities, and villages, was similar to a rat trap. He thought that there was no meaning of the existence of this world. It was nothing but a temptation, just like cheese and pork, which we offer as bait to catch the rat. So, according to him, as soon as someone tries to comfort himself with joy, food, and shelter, he at once gets trapped into the rat trap, which is known as world. No one in the world had ever been kind to the rat trap seller, so he started thinking ill of others. It became a favorite pastime for him. During dull moments, these thoughts made him happy. So he continued with thinking ill of those who were known to him. One evening, the rat trap seller was walking very slowly. He saw a little grey cottage which stood by the road. He went up to the cottage and knocked at the door so as to get shelter for the night. Generally, he was not held by anyone, but this time he was welcomed by the old man into his cottage. He was lonely old man without wife and kids. The old man was happy to get company that night. So the old man gave him some porridge to eat and then shared his tobacco with the guest. After this, both played cards till bedtime, as you can see in the picture. The rat trap seller felt that the old man was not only liberal in sharing his porridge but also his secrets. He tells him that he was a rich man when he used to work on the rented farm. As he was old now and couldn't work, so he had to depend upon his cow for his living. The cow gave enough milk every day to be sold in the factory that produced cheese and cream. The old man said that he was unable to earn 30 kronors last month because of the cow's milk. You can just see the picture of that here. The rat trap seller did not believe the old man's words that the cow could earn him so much. Therefore, the old man took a leather pouch which hung on a window and took out 3 notes of 10 kronor. Kronor is the currency of Sweden, each which were old and crushed. He showed those currency notes to make him believe his words and then kept back in the pouch. Next morning, both the rat trap seller and the crofter woke up early, as the crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow. Even the rat trap seller felt that as the owner of the house had awakened, so he should also leave the bed. They both came out of the cottage at the same time. The old man locked the door and went to his work. The rat trap seller also thanked him and went on his own way. Thank you. Hope you have understood the lesson.